Hi, it's Judy. Welcome to my channel and the first day of Vlogmas. That means it's December 1st. Thank you for being here. And I'm excited today because today we are going to open Fab Fit Fun. Yay, it got here. So keep watching and let's see what's in this pretty box. I have already broken the seal. I love this box. This box is so pretty. I've already broken the seal, so let's see what's in it. Turn it around so you can see it. It says Fab Fit Fun, find your cozy. Doesn't get really cold here in Texas, but that's okay. We'll work with that theme. And here's their magazine. I'm not going to look at this because it does have spoilers, and I have already watched some unboxings, and I did get to choose some of my items. You know, you get to pick this or that. So there we go. We'll open that up last. Let's stick it in here. Okay. Let me show you. Whoops. This box is packed to the rim. Is that not cool? Okay. Let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. Some of the stuff that I got to pick this or that, and one of them is right here on the top. This is a Gold Lust dry shampoo. I've been trying some different dry shampoos. With my hair this color, I don't like to wash it as often because the more I wash it, the more it fades. So I really like the dry shampoo option. From everything that I was seeing, this shampoo, it's by Orbi. It's supposed to be one of the best on the market. So I am anxious to try this out. It says shake well, spray 8 to 10 inches from scalp, tousle with fingers, or brush through until product is completely absorbed. The results, clean, weightless, healthy hair. I can't wait to try it. Now this was one of their spoilers. It is Mark and Graham's personalized gifts. It is a blanket. Let's open it up here, because that's half the fun of doing this, is opening and okay. And you got to pick, and I don't remember what you got, what your options were, but I did go for the gray one. Thought gray went best with purple. And it's got like a white stripe down it. It is so soft. That is going to be nice. I really like that. It is so soft. I wish you could feel it because it is so soft. And it's not really heavy, so it'll be nice because sometimes it does get chilly here in Texas. So it'll be nice in the evening downstairs on my chair to cuddle up in. So I like that. This is Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care. It's a treatment mask. Intense care for dry and damaged hair. Well, let's get back to my hair. Anything we can to keep it healthy, because when you color it all the time, especially extreme colors, it can. And this is made with argan oil. Argan oil is really good for your skin. It helps with scarring especially. Oh wow. It has a very, very light fragrance. And it's really, really thick. Oh, it's almost like a moisturizer. I like that. Black. Eye mask and hyaluronic acid. Late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb on carb delights. Can have our peepers looking, well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detoxify, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. I have not tried eye masks, so... Oh, there's several of them. There's 5. Okay. Just pull out one. Oh, how cool is that? And they come in. That might come in. I like that. Okay. I am willing to try anything to make my bags under my eyes not look like I'm about to pack to go to Disney. I do not know how to pronounce this, so I'm just gonna AHAVA, Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. I love their products. I've always had, anytime I've tried any of these, I've tried these from other subscription box services, and I believe I purchased them before. This is just a cream mask that you put on, you leave on for 3 to 5 minutes or leave on all night and then rinse off. This is Thrive Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlight Stick. That's cool. Ooh, and it's like a pencil. I'll pretend like I'm a beauty guru here. Oh, and it matches my skin tone so perfectly, but you might be able to see the glitter there. Oh, I like that. Because you get some that are so iridescent that it's almost obnoxious. That's really nice. I like that. This is Serum Marula Black Currant and Carrot. I really can't read that. It's really hard to read. It's yellow and kind of a silver. So let's just open it up and see. Brightening serum, face serum. Did it have directions in it? No, I'm going to have to figure out how to read the directions on it, but let's see what it smells like just because I have to smell everything. Black currant. It smells very, I don't want to say medicinal. It does have that. So we'll have to see. Anything that can brighten your face up, I will try at least once. This is from Anthropologie Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. Oh, I don't like coconut to eat, but the smell of it is kind of growing on me. It smells very much like coconut. Oh, and it feels very, very nice. My dry hands. And just absorbed right in. So that's really, really nice. I like that. This is Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. Oh, and I'm liking those colors. Pure, natural, free, charming, alluring is the top row. Now the bottom row is gorgeous, fabulous, strong, and confident. Wow, I like those. Oh, that is so pretty. Let's open it up. One of them did not make it very well, but there they are. That was the Pure, did not make it in one piece, but you can still use it. I like those, and 5 of them have the sparkle that I like. So, whoops. 5 of them have the sparkle that I like, so definitely would be trying those out. Okay, and I think that's all. Okay, looking at the box and adding everything up, the value is supposed to be $2.90 to $3.35. Adding everything up, I got a total of $2.88. Not being a mistake, I don't think, because one category that you were supposed to choose from, I got none from that category, but I did get the serum. So if I add the price of the serum in as one of that, it comes to $3.06, which is right in. And so I'm not sure why I got the serum in place of one of the other items, but I'm okay with that. I like the serum. So the story about Fab Fit Fun was about 1.5 years ago. I opted to get a one-time box, and I really, really wasn't that impressed. But then I started seeing, so I didn't get any more. But then I started seeing everybody else getting the boxes, and I'm like, wait a minute, that's a lot cooler than what I got. So last season, which would be the fall season, I opted to get a box, and after that I got the yearly subscription. And I have to admit it now, I'm hooked. I do believe I have a code I will post below that'll be $10 off your first box. I would definitely try it out once to see if you like it or not. And even if you're not thrilled with what you got the first time, you might want to think about giving it a second chance. That second chance definitely sold me. This box had some really good stuff in it. I really like Fab Fit Fun, and I'm looking forward to, so I got their fall box, this is their winter box, the next box will be their spring box. It comes out 4 times a year, it goes with the season. You like to indulge in makeup and body and fitness products, this is a lifestyle subscription box service, and it is definitely the best on the market. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I am doing Vlogmas, which means every day between now and December 24th, there will be a video posted. I am so excited. I've got lots of great content for you all. So again, hit that subscribe button below. ring that bell, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. If you liked this video, post a comment below on what your favorite product was, or which one of these products would you like to try. Mine is definitely the dry shampoo. I can't wait to try that out. Until tomorrow, have a wonderful day. Go out there and do something great. Bye.